Hello my loves and welcome to today's video. It is officially that time for me to spruce up and cozy up my space just a little bit more for the fall season. And then while I'm here, as you saw in the beginning of the video, my space was a little messy. So we're also going to be doing a little bit of deep cleaning. I never start my day without doing my bed. It's a step that I just never skip. So it's only right for me to start by tidying up my bed. And while we're here, I'm adding in these furry pillows that I recently got from HomeGoods. I showed this in a recent HomeGoods haul. I'm really happy with that purchase. So I'm using both of those, and then I'm just repurposing one of the other throw pillows that I had and putting it right in the middle, and the other one I put it away in my closet. These are some of the other HomeGoods finds from that haul, and you're gonna see me sprinkle these items throughout my space. And just a little heads up, this blanket got washed immediately after this video. I literally just opened it up and put it on my bed for the sake of this video. I wanted to at least open it up and put it on my bed so you guys can see the vision and how everything came together. If you're just stumbling across this video, or maybe you are new to my channel, first off, hey. Secondly, I will try to link my previous home decorating videos down below in the description box, because I have a lot of my furniture and home decor linked in those in case I don't get to link them in the description box of this video. I don't know what it is about the fall season and cheetah/leopard print for me this time around, but clearly I'm into it. It's my pajamas, and then I ordered some new stuff from Amazon, and then my phone case is leopard. I don't know, girl, but anyway, I was just opening up these packages to clear out my boxes. I also got this PR package from Naked Wardrobe with some of their new fall items from their new fall collection. I already said it in my last video, but this scent right here from Mrs. Meyer's is just mwah. After that was tidied up and my space was starting to smell a little good, I moved over to picking up everything that was on the ground. So my shoes, my gym bag, my overnight bag, which first of all, I'm obsessed with. I will link it below. It is a really pretty brownish orange bag, perfect for fall, but I picked all that up. We are gonna do a little bit more vacuuming and mopping later in the video, but while I was here, I was like, I'll just vacuum this runner that I have here. I also got this from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, and I like it because it looks like it's jute or that rougher material, which it kind of is, but it's washable. And this is a really high traffic area for me, so it works out perfectly. Laundry was definitely piling up. Okay, so I decided to throw in a load. Why is there more cheetah and leopard print in my laundry pile? It's ridiculous, but I am putting together just a bunch of darks and grays that I'm about to throw into the washer. This area that I'm standing in right now is where all of my makeup is. I'm actually considering getting a new dresser and revamping this little part, but this is where I just throw everything while I'm getting ready. My makeup bag is right here and all my extra products, so it can kind of get a little messy. Moving right along to my workspace/desk area. This doesn't get too intense. I try to keep it as minimal as possible to avoid getting overwhelmed while I'm working. So I'm just moving whatever is on there and then doing a quick wipe down. The last little area to tidy up before I go in and vacuum and Swiffer is my bathroom. So sometimes I leave curling irons in there, all my hair products, hair all over the floor, and just, yeah. So I just want to do a quick cleanup there before I do a wipe down in here too, and then cleaning off the floors. I did get a new hand soap from Home Goods, so this is where I'm throwing out my old one from Whole Foods and replacing it with the one that I got from Home Goods. And of course, finishing off by vacuuming and then by mopping the floors. I just used my Swiffer this time around because honestly my floors were not that dirty, but I did use the antibacterial Swiffer wipes. They do have a lot of different wipes that smell amazing, but not all of them are antibacterial. So I like to use that one in the case that I don't get to do a full on mop session. While I'm doing this, I'll just put up the volume on the music and let you guys enjoy until we reach the end of the video. Of course, gotta wash our hands when we finish up, and my space is smelling and feeling amazing. Just adding fall cozy scents and then little hints of decor made a really nice difference. So I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. Again, I will link anything that I can below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It gave you a sense of warmth and coziness and hopefully excitement for the fall season. Let me know in the comments too what you think of how I have the decor going in here. I really want to add some new art pieces, but I'm still on the hunt for that. And then I do want to revamp my little makeup area. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next video.